If you've ever had to pack or ship fragile items and you worried that it wouldn't survive the shipping process, well, this makes that process less stressful.
This pack comes with 8 fast expanding foam bags, and each one measures 16 by 14 inches. They're designed to work well in an 8 by 8 by 8 inch box, which is a pretty common size for shipping. To use them, you just squeeze and mix the sections labeled A and B inside the bag. And once they're mixed, the foam starts expanding and you place it into the box with your item. As the foam expands, it fills the empty space and forms around the item, which helps keep it from shifting during transport. This works especially well for fragile or irregularly shaped items that are hard to pack with traditional materials. The foam does firm up fairly quickly, so you have to work a little quick, but there's no strong smell while it's expanding, and once it sets, it creates a custom fit cushion around whatever you're shipping.
These are going to be a great option for packing things like electronics, glass, ceramics, or really anything that you want some extra protection for without needing loads of packing material. If you ship fragile items often and you want something that's easy to use and that can help prevent damage during shipping, these foam bags make the process much more simple.